Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to add a marker on CapCut PC, then this video is for you. Right now I have opened a project where I have added some video and overlays here. So if you want to add a marker, then you can do is you can place this indicator here at the exact place, and you can find add marker button here. Simply click on add marker and you can see it has just added the marker here. And also you can do is you can, if you want to add a marker to a specific part of your video, then you can choose the video here, and you can add a marker, and you can see the marker has added to that video's exact part where you want to mark down here, just like this. Also, you can mark anywhere you want, or also like here. So also you can use the M key. So place this yellow line anywhere and simply click on M. You can see each time I just click on M, it is just adding a marker. So also you can do is simply if you want to delete a marker, click on that marker and simply click on backspace or right click on it, and you can find delete marker. That's how you can just easily delete a marker, or also delete all markers in timeline. So this is actually a timeline and this another. So if I delete all this marker here, so this timeline marker will be removed, but this will remain here. Also you can edit marker by simply click on it. You can name that rename this marker here. Also you can select the time here, just like this. You can scroll it right or left here. You can change the color, then simply click on done, or you can delete that marker. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.